Want an easy way to grow and market your business online? Are you trying to build a brand and get more visible online? Then YouTube might be for you. Keep watching to find out why your business should be on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, Paigon here. If you're just getting started growing your business online, then you probably have these goals in mind. You want to get started creating your brand, or if you have a brand, you want to start building brand awareness. You want to start becoming an authority on your topic or your niche. And you want to start building social proof, which is basically proving that you're a real person or a business instead of like scamming people. Or maybe you're trying to create a community or grow your email list. No matter which goal you have, creating video content will help you achieve those goals. You hear this all the time, but video is the fastest way to grow know, like, and trust. That's because people can see you, hear you, and get a feel for your personality if you keep creating videos consistently. Even though every social media platform has a video component, I'm going to specifically talk about YouTube. YouTube is a great platform for video hosting. It's free and easy to use. This is great if you're creating videos for your website. You can save so much space by using your YouTube link instead of uploading your video to your website. Even though your channel is owned by YouTube, you can still brand it to fit your business. You can kind of think of it like an extension of your business, but you don't have to pay for it. YouTube is the second largest search engine, and it's owned by the first largest search engine, Google. When people search for things in the YouTube search bar, they get results related to their search terms. That means that if you're creating video content on copywriting for social media and someone searches for copywriting for social media, then your video will show up if it's popular or if it's relevant to the search term, or if nobody else is creating videos on that. This means that you're promoting your business for free on YouTube. Is basically like free marketing for your business. That's awesome, right? Remember, I also said that YouTube was owned by Google. That means that if someone Googles a topic and your videos are relevant to that topic, then you'll also show up on those Google search results. Doesn't that motivate you more to have your business on YouTube? If you don't have time to create content all across your social media channels and your website, you can actually repurpose your YouTube videos for that. I won't go into this in great detail because I've already talked about this in another video. It's called Repurpose Your YouTube Videos, and you can find it in the card above right here or in the description box down below. But basically, you can repurpose your YouTube videos into social media content, blog posts, and other content. You probably already know this, but you can monetize your YouTube channel. That means that you're getting passive income. If you're creating consistent video content and you grow your channel, then you'll be able to monetize your channel. That means that you'll get paid every time viewers watch your content. To monetize your channel, you have to apply for it first. Once you apply, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and you have to have 4,000 watch time hours to get approved. But once you're approved, you have one more revenue stream for your business. Do you need help creating videos? You can download my free step-by-step video creation process. Get the link down below. We talked about how YouTube is a free video hosting platform, how YouTube can market your business for free using a search engine and Google search engine. We talked about how you can repurpose your YouTube videos into other content, and how your YouTube channel can become passive income for your business. Are you already creating YouTube videos for your business? Type yes or no in the comments down below. And don't forget to download your free video creation process by clicking the link in the description box below. If this video was helpful for you, be sure to subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit the like button so that I know to make more videos like this. Until next week, bye.